Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to fix permanent WhatsApp ban. So when a user regularly or seriously violates WhatsApp terms of service, they will be subject to a permanent ban. Following this judgment, the user is barred from utilizing WhatsApp services going forward and their account is permanently deactivated. So let's just say when you open your WhatsApp account, and you select your country and enter your number, then you will see this notification that your account cannot be used or it's banned. So I'm going to show you a few methods on how to fix this permanent ban or permanently ban here on WhatsApp. First is you have to go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser. And then this time what you're going to do is to type contact WhatsApp support or WhatsApp messenger support. So what you're going to do here is you have to click either of the two. So let me tap this contact WhatsApp. And then as you can see, this is what it looks like. And you will see this WhatsApp messenger support for all questions related to WhatsApp. Click contact us. So you have to click this contact us right here. And then you will see the following. So what you're going to do is you just have to provide your phone number here. So please provide the phone number you use for your WhatsApp account. You should also provide your email address, the email address that you have used on your WhatsApp account, confirm email address, and how they use WhatsApp, let's just say Android. And then please enter your message below. So here you can be very specific, like good day, WhatsApp team. Please do help me, or can you please help me? My WhatsApp account has been permanently banned or is banned, or my account or number cannot log in because I am permanently banned here on WhatsApp. So, can you please help me? I did not violate any service or rules here on WhatsApp. If I did, then please give it a chance to retrieve or fix this permanently banned issue. Okay, you can copy this one, you can create your own. So as you can see, I'm sorry about this. Please help me and ban my WhatsApp account. You can also include your WhatsApp account here, your mobile number, also your email address, just to make it clearer and for them to reach you easier. So what you're going to do is you click this next step and then you just have to wait for the customer service team to respond and then email you and follow the instructions in order for you to fix this banned or permanently banned issue on WhatsApp. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to suggest any topic, please do comment down below. And see you again in our next video tutorials.